Psychology of Money, complete summary in 10 parts. Part 1, Introduction, the true secret of wealth. Wealth is not a science, it's a psychological game. Most people believe that becoming rich requires exceptional financial knowledge, but that's not entirely true. The reality is that the most successful aren't investors. They have a unique understanding of money. This book teaches us the psychology behind money, common financial misconceptions, and the right financial habits. The biggest lesson, earning more or being highly intelligent isn't enough. Developing the right financial behavior is what truly matters. What does this book teach us? Psychological principles of wealth, the power of patience and compounding, the difference between financial happiness and financial freedom, golden rules to avoid financial mistakes. Part 2. The difference between rich people and average thinkers. Having more money doesn't make you rich. How you manage it does. There are two types of people in the world. 1, those who are great at making money but fail to manage it. 2, those who earn less but become wealthy due to good financial habits. Example, many famous athletes and celebrities earn millions but still go bankrupt. Why? Because they don't manage their income wisely. On the other hand, someone like Ronald Red, a simple janitor, saved and invested his money wisely, accumulating $8 million over time. Key takeaway: making money is not enough. Managing it wisely is the real game. Financial behavior and mindset play the biggest role in wealth creation. Hesh. Part 3, Greed versus Patience, the key to financial success. Only those who master patience can hold on to wealth. Biggest financial mistakes people make. The rush to make more money quickly, chasing high returns all the time, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Example, most people lose money in the stock market because they panic and trade too frequently. Those who invest patiently and let compounding do its magic build real wealth over time. Key takeaway: trying to get rich quickly often leads to financial disaster. Long-term investing and patience are the real keys to wealth. Part 4. The power of compounding, how money grows. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Understand it and get rich. Albert Einstein. Compounding means your money grows on its own over time, as long as you invest it wisely and remain patient. Herder. Example. Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11, and today he's one of the richest people in the world. Had he started later, he wouldn't have accumulated such wealth. Key takeaway: start investing as early as possible. Use compounding as your biggest weapon. Part 5, Financial Freedom versus more money. Real happiness doesn't come from having more money, it comes from financial freedom. Does money really bring happiness? Many people think that earning more will make them happy, but in reality, true happiness comes from how you use your money. Example, a person earning $1,000 per month but living a stress-free life is much happier than someone making $10,000 per month but under constant financial pressure. Key takeaway: the real purpose of money is to make life easier and more enjoyable, not just to increase your bank balance. Part 6, 5 golden rules for building wealth. Save a small amount every month, consistently. Live a simple lifestyle and avoid unnecessary expenses. Avoid shortcuts, focus on patience and long-term wealth building. Don't make impulsive investment decisions. Use money to bring happiness, not just to impress others. Part 7, the biggest financial mistakes people make. Chasing high returns constantly, wasting money on unnecessary luxury items, investing without knowledge. Takeaway: avoiding these mistakes is the key to long-term financial success. Part 8, the biggest secret to wealth. The people who spend less become wealthier. The people who manage money wisely gain financial freedom. And Part 9, the right way to use money. Money is truly valuable. Money is truly valuable when it improves your life, not when it's used for showing off. Invest in opportunities that improve your future. Make financial decisions based on logic, not emotions. Part 10, why mastering the psychology of money is essential. Money is your key to freedom. Use it wisely. Patience, consistency, and compounding are the real secrets to wealth. Always think long-term and avoid common financial mistakes.